What up, y'all? Today I'm gonna teach y'all how to plug your tire. You know what I mean? For the girls that don't know how, or maybe do know how, whatever. For the dudes that's letting your girl do everything, and you know what I mean? It's crazy, man. You got dudes out here that's girls know more knowledge than the dudes and stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all a quick little video how to do this or whatever. And, okay, so we got the tire kit, tire repair kit. And it comes with this shit right here. All this stuff, you know, got the little thing where you can. I've changed all these out because your tire can leak from that. And then this is how to pretty much you put them in the. Let me show you. You put this part right here. It's got like a little clamp, and then you push it in there. Don't put it hard or whatever, just until it locks, and then you turn clockwise. But yeah, okay. And then you got this one stuff right here. It's called rubber cement or whatever. You put these on here, which I pretty much you put it through this one right here, and then you take the other one and you ram it into the tire wherever you got the hole at. I mixed up soap and water, so that's pretty much how you can tell that you got a leak or whatnot. So I'm gonna do this real quick. So I'm ready to get on my scooter and make some videos. Oh shit.
Oh.
I didn't realize it. I'm gonna have to go get another kit. Cause I think this was only like $10. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. All you're gonna hear is straight air. You gotta try to put it right back in that hole where you had it at. Take this off. These ones suck, by the way, because I got the ones where it's got the whole handle right here. It's like a T, and then you can just push down and it's easier. Okay, so you see how I just did that? You twist it into there. Ah, dang. Sometimes they're a pain in the butt. Get in there. Alright, so do it like that. So wow, that thing ain't. Maybe I got too many on there or something. This should be easy right here. And oh shit. It's giving me a little trouble. There we go. And then when it's in there, like that much or whatever, but it's still leaking. Yeah, it's still fucking leaking. Okay, so that was still leaking. So what I'm gonna do is pull this one back out and try to use this one. And get that nut in there. Yeah, that's not sticky no more. And by the way, do not fucking litter. Y'all see all these motherfuckers in Tulsa littering like a motherfucker, yo. Y'all suck. Supposed to save the planet, not fuck it up. Excuse my language. Okay. I need that T version, yo, because that thing would have been so easy. I could just press down on that thing. God damn. God damn. still fucking leaking, yo. There we go. Yes, sir. There we go. Well, that didn't work out like I thought it was. Okay. And then after you do that right, then you go back around it. See if it's still leaking. Bam! And we solved the problem. So that's pretty much how you plug a tire and everything, and you know what I mean? So there you got it. And then plus I know y'all probably know how to put the tire on, and if you don't, I'll show you that too. Okay. And when you do this and you got this up in the air, you never want to put your feet all the way underneath here and everything, because if the jack falls, it'll crush your legs. So, and don't be like me and break your boat off. I put a brand new one on there and broke it off. It was crazy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cut that off. I'm gonna cut that off with the knife that I have. Make sure you got a little handy dandy knife. You can get that off. But anyways, that's pretty much how you do it. You know, you put these on here, you tighten them back up with the what we call this, a four-way. Not at the stop sign or anything. A four-way. What you call it? And that's how you pretty much do that or whatever. So, because I know everybody got some haters just trying to throw nails and shit in your yard and trying to get you on flat. So that's pretty much how you do that. Gang gang.